Hi, this is Ami from Design More, and today we are going to learn a Valentine's special card. And in the kit, you will be provided cardstock, so one white card paper, and the size of the card paper is 6 by 5 inches. Then I need a white black cardstock, and again on top of it, I'll be using white cardstock, and on top of it I'm going to work with the hearts. So in the kit you'll be provided 2 hearts, and rest is the medium size heart and small size hearts. So either you use MDF hearts or you just directly use the cutout of this heart. So the cutout of heart is UPO paper because we are going to work with the alcohol ink on top of it. So the next material required for the card is dropper, then varnish. Once we are done with the alcohol ink work, we are going to seal with the varnish. Then another is blending medium, and the next is alcohol ink. I'm using a strawberry color because we are going to cover heart with the red color, so I'm using strawberry color. And the next is hand blower and UPO paper to cut out more. If you have a little requirement of more UPO paper, you can cut and use that as well. So now let's stick all the 3 layers of the paper. So either you go for the horizontal work or for the vertical work. So you just stick all the 2 layers of the paper with the Fevicol and let it dry completely, and then we will start with the next process. So either if you want to give a little height, you use the 2A paper and then you stick, or just directly stick all the 3 layers immediately. So you'll not get the 3D look, but it kind of gives the complete straight look. So now I am gonna use 4 hearts. So take 4 UPO paper cutouts, and now let's begin with the ink process. So again I'm using this strawberry color. So you just have to put 2-3 drops at a time. See, my one heart is already ready, so I'll show you how to do the next. So take a 1 heart, and before start, make sure that you use the blower. So just to give air, we are using hand blower, and you have to press it hard so that it gives the air pressure. So it depends how much you pressure you are giving it. So let's begin. So you just put 2 to 3 drops on the paper, and it depends how much dark you want. You can put more as well. And again on the drop I'm using blending medium, and with the help of the blower you just spread the ink like as and where you require. So again put a drop of a blending medium and then just spread it all over the. So if you are satisfied with your design and the shades you want, you can stop there and there, and again do the rest of the hearts. See, I'm really happy with this look. So this way you prepare all the 4 hearts and plus the tiny hearts. So as you see, all hearts are ready, all the cutouts ready, even the smaller heart. I'm not using MDF cutouts because I want the flat look on the card. So if you wish, you can use the MDF cutouts, or else use directly heart as it is. Okay, so to seal the alcohol ink, I'm gonna use varnish. So either you use any brand of varnish. I like matte effect, so I'm using this brand particularly. So just take a varnish little on the brush and cover the alcohol ink area. Just apply a very thin layer. You don't require too much of varnish on top of it, and let this dry completely. It will take approximately half an hour to dry, so keep all the heart ready with the varnish. Make sure that your alcohol should be dry completely. Then and only, say after 1 hour, you apply the varnish, and then again let it dry for half an hour, and then you start assembling these hearts on your. And it's very simple. Just don't brush it hard. Make sure that you apply it very light hand and complete all. You can use the medium size heart as well, but my requirement of this card is 4 bigger hearts and the smaller hearts on the background, so I'm using that. Though in the kit you have all the different sizes of the card. So as you see, all heart has been dried, and you see it's completely matte look. It's not shining at all, and I really love the matte look instead of shiny look. So to begin with, I will be required a black gel pen, okay, and again I need a Fevicol. So you just fold 2 hearts into half, like this way. Keep 2 hearts flat and 2 heart half fold, okay. Now stick this 2 plain heart with the Fevicol. I'm sticking exactly in the middle. Keep the side distance, like this way. Now apply Fevicol only and only the center of this half folded heart. You can stick immediately, but it will tilt to a one side, so let it dry completely, and then you stick in the middle part, like this. Just stick only and only the mid part, so that you'll have this 3D look of this. Let it dry completely, and then we'll stick. So before that, let's start with the drawing part. So I'm using black gel pen. You can use any black pen. So I'm just drawing. So this concept is a hot air balloon. So I'm going to draw a small basket over here, like this. You can make it a little thicker if you want, and I'm making little thick, so to give little depth to the drawing. In between this basket, I'm again going to stick 2 tiny hearts. So again apply a Fevicol and stick this heart over here. Same the second side, and just draw a string, and again I draw a bow, same way. The second side, draw 2 parallel lines, and to connect these 2 hot air balloons, I'm gonna draw a tiny heart string. So just draw a very tiny hearts and connect it to the second balloon. So this way you just complete and connect all the hearts to the second balloon. And now the time to stick the other hearts. It's completely dried, so that it kind of gives you the 3D balloon look. And the rest of the card, you stick all the tiny hearts all over the card, okay, and see the beautiful 3D look. And now the rest, again, as I said, cover the blank white area with the tiny heart. You can use the MDF cutout. Stick this paper heart in on top of the MDF heart, so that it kind of gives you the again 3D look. I personally like flat surface, so I always stick directly the paper. So see the beautiful 3D heart. You can write your message again on the top, or as I said, you use this MDF cutout, stick this heart in on top of it, and you apply Fevicol and stick all over the paper. Even that gives you the nice look. So in the kit, everything will be provided. It's again your choice how you want to use it. So see, it's a beautiful looking card. You are good to go. Thanks for watching.